Ji Kotoria Shikangwang and Tama. Shikangwang ke Kirma Yadit. Ko ne Kirma Yadit ke Yoska ke Kirma Yadit. Nichang mite mishi tuog milet Kirma Yadit la nang ni Ji Kotoria. Wa nang ni Nuere be Ji Kotoria bakanang. Aken la jaga rol Nuere. Tani la keba neke. Tani ngene titere te jeni yobako jaga yobako rol ngene diala ti baga juguno wa ngi gwara dien ba nanka gwakur. Entama menchi tuog ko shikana ngaje no gwalka use a Kirma Yadit chigren nyoko mat ka bondo dien. Take a rebel group pai form ki party me pai banantama kakanete konensual ke murlëë. Ano murlëë ni akane shika ngwang ko la ka mo ke yo ni siang mo ka men ni siang jo ka no bia naka Nuere naka Ji Kotoria naka ne ko kien cheka jang ano la ka mo ke ka yo Kirma Yadit. So entama chigren mo ka party do dien ere ibun ngama na chikana form ko chikana la gwana ne akane to shikon yin ka Nuere nang kon gat kien nang kon ho kien so ko kujimo da kon Nuere chan yin ka denka ka jang chikon jang we kon gat kini kon kanang chikon ho kini kon kanang chikon yo jing Ji Kotoria ka kujimo ne diality tela rami gok tundan ne mania la da jaba ki murlëë ka kujimo antama chetoko ban ran mat kenite ko kien kon tila rebel ti no ka jen wode kon South Sudan de kon jako dara lwar ajen ta danen le road antama so team me ki group pai toge rebel group ka murlëë mitre de te ka Ji Kotoria ne tin kon la rebel chicken kamat gwakel so mende tina kene biken gorno biga nyen ke kumentere yuke juba ko kene kumentere yuke juba jen kumandana kuzna ken politician kontere yuke juba ala Kirma Yadit kene tin kon tin goro bana yuhan match so chikarwa mo chikene kwen mene jago ke video ma bia jodien bia jelingan gwadmene ane bia takamal bye.
The people who are standing here, I know we have people from Kuku, we have Didinga, we have Larim, and several other communities among us. But most of the people here are Murlëë community. You have wars that you have fought with many people neighboring us, beginning from Bor community. You go to Teach community, you go to Duk community, you go to Gawar community, you go to Nuer, you turn to the other side to Anyak, you go to Kashipo, you have fought with Jie, and recently you fought with Topoza. I want to tell you, this war has to end with us. It should not go to the next generation, because it is not our war. It is a war manufactured by politicians in Juba with a reason to keep us divided, so that they continue robbing us. That is why they are giving us all those opportunities to fight. This is why we are saying this war must end with us. As I believe it is a political war manufactured from Juba, I know others will say it is not a war manufactured from Juba. If it is hunting, we will have to find another way of hunting. If it is a revenge, we will have to find another way of ending this revenge, because it is not going to help us. I'm calling on you people from Murlëë community to unite with the communities around you. Form one united front. Take back the power. Then you use it for ending these wars. I want